Oh, it's broke. Hey, Mr. Thomas, don't point at it this time, because on the video it looks like...
That's funny.
Is it gonna break?
It will break.
Oh, we'll make it
Near
break.
my face.
It's going to break in your face.
Hunter, don't hurt yourself.
Let's go get a safety.
What do you think, son?
Tell him to pull his pants up. Pull your pants up.
Okay, why? Oh, I'm starting to get scared.
Probably gonna be jumping like crazy. Like, oh.
You might want to watch leaning on that.
That's the shop teacher tomorrow. How he jumped.
Oh, he jumped? I might just go ask him today. Well, he came in and watched one. How bad was it?
Who jumped?
Shop teacher. Because you don't know when it's going to break.
I mean, he was
He
pretty.
jumped?
I mean, he was pretty fearless when that bandsaw blade broke.
Well,
Broke.
I broke a bandsaw blade one time.
Okay, scary. We had one shot out outside.
I should have scared the shit out of you. I cut my finger with it last year. I was just too close to accidentally slipped.
this side's pretty good.
It wasn't too bad.
He had one break and the blade went.
I'm scared every time, so.
That's okay. I don't mind you wearing it. Just wear it correctly if you want to wear that shield.
I already did better than I expected.
You already did better than what?
Than I expected it to.
It's not even really moving at all, really.
I don't know.
You don't know. Something.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You said you had one that didn't even have no signs of breaking, and all of a sudden it just broke.
This one?
Honestly, I forget.
Wasn't mine kind of like that? It just broke out of nowhere.
Oh, here it is.
Oh!
That's just the top.
Ooh.
It is.
Yeah.
Top's breaking.
Times to break.
Let's go!
Jump the whole bucket.
Over on the other side.
Get over on that
This is
side.
going to break
The whole
first.
side. That front. Oh.
It's like turning now. It's like turning. Can I elbow drop it after?
I'm surprised it's still up.
Oh.
Is the last one I did still count?
No, it's sitting on the tabletop. Okay.
You could put that back together.
Yeah. Pull that around here.
Yes. I'm all for the elbow drop right now.
No, you're not. You might hurt your other arm.
Mine broke exactly where I thought it was going to break.
Wait till the C-Rest comes.
So you think that if you would have done it differently, then
I think it would have held like 7 or 8 0.
36 pounds.
The way I did the second time.
all right.